Look, I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna kick it. Ah! I'm okay. Hi toys. Hello my little pies, and today we're unboxing another Barbie, and it's made to move, the ultimate possible Barbie, soccer Barbie, and I think she's super cool. Look at her leg warmers, they're super cool. And her shoes, I just love her shoes. And also she's fully articulated. So now let's open her up. Look how the ball moves in there. It's kind of like loose. Oh my boobiness. Let's see what the soccer ball makes. I want to know how it feels. Yeah. It's like a ping pong ball. Look, there's a Barbie logo right here. Oh, super cute. Yeah. Yes. Got it. Oh, I like her hair. It's super soft and thin. Here she is. There's soccer ball. Soccer shoes. She has soccer shoes right here. And I love her leg warmers. I think they're leg warmers. They're socks. No, they're really long socks. Ooh. Okay, in here she has a nice bright pink headband, and she has a ponytail on, side ponytail. And she has a number 59, a pink shirt, and on the back it's black. And we got black shorts with the number 59. I want to know what's down here. I want to take off the shoe. Oh, they're like rubber. Now she's fully articulated. oh no, her leg. Okay, let's see what's here. Oh, I think this is so she can like hold her, so she can actually put on her socks without them going all crazy, slipping down. They're sheen guards. Oh, okay. I'll put them back. And now I know what they're for. So. Her leg kind of goes crazy, but her shoes are like rubber. So these are spikes that real soccer players actually have on their shoes so they can stay on the field and not slip on their butt. So anyways, let's see, let's try to move her arm. It's not moving. This is a fake one? She doesn't really, oh, okay. I'm gonna have fun with this one because she can move her feet and everything. And she's not stiff like the other Barbies. Anyways, look at her catch. Look, I'm gonna kick it, I'm gonna kick it. Ah! I'm okay. Oh wait, no, it's a bad one. Also, pies, another really cool thing we found. She's also articulated right here. I never knew that. I never knew Barbie could actually do that. Look, she was like, whoa! This is so cool. She could do the limbo. Or she could, this thing. Anyways, bye bye my little pies.